fun form of entertainment until it's no longer fun or entertaining. Studies show that 41.5% of gamers in the Philippines participate in lottery or game of chance. Why do some players struggle with problem gaming? Because of the thrill it gives, especially when winning. It can also start as an escape from emotional triggers, stress, or the belief that gaming is a solution to financial pressures or burden. Ang problem gaming ay tinatawag na hidden addiction, kaya importante na malaman ito ng iyong pamilya or significant others para matulungan kang makarecover at talunin ang pusta de peligro. Remember, you alone can do it, but you can't do it alone.
Play smart, know the risks, and only bet what you can afford para iwas pusta de peligro. When you are winning, you want to keep on winning. When you lose, you want to recover quickly. You need to manage your expectations before you start a game. Know the risks and only bet what you can afford. Set limits. Ask yourself, nasa budget pa ba ako? Naglalaro ba ako dahil masaya pa ako or dahil may hinahabol na ako? You need to recognize those red flag moments. Bumuo ng entertainment fund. Mag-set ng budget para sa libangan, pero unahin ang savings, bills, investments, at subaybayan ng gastos para hindi sumobra sa limit.
Entertainment should bring joy, not stress. We launched the Pusta de Peligro campaign to empower players to catch red flag moments and make better decisions. Our gaming app features an advanced responsible gaming tab, a first in the country, to empower players to set time limits, control daily bets, and cap losses. It's not only about protecting players, but also about reshaping how gaming providers interact with their communities.
We took inspiration from the Filipino term Petsa de Peligro as a relatable reminder of those critical moments when choosing wisely matters most. Through this campaign, we emphasize that gaming can only stay fun if it's done responsibly. Our campaign stands on 3 key pillars. Prevention. We want our players to recognize the risks and use our tools for self-regulation. Education. We provide financial coaching to our winners and tips on how to manage their money wisely. Intervention. We want our players to understand the importance of psychosocial support from experts, friends, and family. Each pillar is designed to guide players through a journey of awareness, balance, and responsibility.
Catching yourself during Pusta de Peligro moments doesn't mean stopping the game completely, but taking a mindful moment to evaluate your choices and maintain balance.
Kung gusto mong umiwas sa pusta de peligro, pause na muna. By practicing this discipline, you keep gaming enjoyable and stress-free.
Tandaan, know the risks, set limits, and get the right support para ang gaming fun lang at iwas pusta de peligro.